When it comes to camping, nothing beats the convenience of a portable gas grill. Having the right grill makes it easier to cook delicious meals outdoors. But with so many options out there, choosing the best one can feel overwhelming. That's why I've done the research and put together a list of the 10 best portable gas grills for camping, so you can confidently pick the one that fits your needs. Number 1. Cuisinart Camping Portable Gas Grill. First up is the Cuisinart Camping Portable Gas Grill. This grill is designed for campers who want a lightweight and compact option without sacrificing quality. It weighs just 14.6 pounds, making it easy to carry, and it comes with a 145 square inch cooking surface, which is perfect for cooking for a small group. It runs on a 5,500 BTU burner, providing consistent heat for grilling burgers, hot dogs, or veggies. Built with aluminum, porcelain, and stainless steel, it's both durable and easy to clean. Next is the Lifemaster Portable Gas Grill, which is slightly larger and more versatile. With a 275 square inch cooking surface, it offers plenty of space for grilling multiple items at once, ideal for family camping trips. It features 2 burners, giving you more control over heat zones, and it comes with practical touches like folding legs, a cover lock, and rust-resistant stainless steel construction. At 21 pounds, it's still portable, though a bit heavier than the Cuisinart. The third option is the Royal Gourmet Portable Gas Grill, which combines compact design with strong cooking power. It offers a 285 square inch cooking surface, quite generous for a portable model, and uses a U-shaped burner system for even heat distribution. I like that it includes folding legs, a lockable lid, and a removable grease tray, which makes both transportation and cleaning much easier. Weighing 17.8 pounds, it's still manageable to carry, yet powerful enough for serious outdoor cooking. Number 4. Coleman Folding Camping Portable Gas Grill. The Coleman Folding Portable Gas Grill is all about ultra-lightweight convenience. Its compact design makes it extremely easy to carry, even on longer trips. Despite its small 105 square inch cooking surface, it delivers a respectable 6,000 British thermal unit heating power, which is enough for grilling a few items at a time. It's built with a blend of materials and stainless steel handles, ensuring durability while keeping weight to a minimum. If your priority is super portable cooking for solo trips or a couple of campers, this grill is a smart pick. Number 5. Monument Grills Camping Portable Gas Grill. For those who want a bit more power and space, the Monument Grill's portable gas grill is worth considering. With a 207 square inch cooking surface and a whopping 15,000 BTU heating power, it's capable of grilling larger meals quickly. Made from rust-resistant stainless steel, it's designed to handle the outdoor elements without losing performance. Weighing 20 pounds, it's still portable, and its solid construction makes it ideal for campers who want a balance of durability, power, and convenience. Number 6. Megamaster Foldable Legs Camping Gas Grill. If you need maximum cooking space without sacrificing portability, the Megamaster Foldable Legs Camping Gas Grill is a standout option. It offers a massive 360 square inch cooking surface, making it perfect for groups or family outings. With 11,000 BTU heating power and a stainless steel build, it provides even heat distribution and reliable durability. Its foldable legs and heat-resistant design make it easy to transport and set up at your campsite. Next is the Char-Broil Portable Gas Grill, a compact yet powerful option. With a 240 square inch cooking surface and 10,000 BTU heating power, it's capable of cooking multiple items evenly. Constructed from stainless steel and featuring a 1-pound propane tank, it's perfect for short camping trips or tailgating. It also includes a 1-year warranty covering grates, lid, firebox, and other parts, which provides some assurance for long-term use. Number 8. Royal Gourmet Camping Portable Gas Grill. The second Royal Gourmet model is designed for serious outdoor cooks. It features a massive 430 square inch cooking surface and 10,000 BTU heating power, making it ideal for feeding larger groups. What sets this grill apart is its dual cooking system, a grill and a griddle, allowing versatile cooking options. It operates on a 20-pound propane cylinder, and with removable grease trays and a tabletop design, cleanup is easy. Number 9. Cuisinart Dual Burners Camping Portable Gas Grill. For those who want dual burners for precise heat control, the Cuisinart Dual Burners Portable Gas Grill delivers exactly that. Its 275 square inch cooking surface and 10,000 BTU heating power make it capable of handling larger meals efficiently. It also includes folding legs for portability and a 3-year limited warranty, which adds reliability. This grill is perfect if you're looking for flexible cooking options without sacrificing portability. Number 10. GasOne Camping Portable Gas Grill. Finally, the GasOne Portable Gas Grill is a solid all-around option. With 3 burners and 1,200 watts of power, it provides consistent heat across its large cooking surface. Made from stainless steel and weighing 23 pounds, it's portable enough for most camping trips. Plus, it comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty, ensuring support if anything goes wrong. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews, so your next adventure is perfectly cooked. And don't forget to check the links in the description to see the latest prices and deals on these grills.